Joseph's mom took him to the barbershop because his hair is getting too long. Joseph never been to the barbershop before, or what did he know how to expect? Mario the barber is going to help him cut his hair and make his hair look pretty. He wears a cape around Joseph, and he loves this chair of the barbershop going up just like this. What a controller. And down like this. And it goes around like the wheel. Joseph really loves it.
And squeeze your hand here.
He's smiling.
No, I'm sorry.
And now it's time to have a haircut. Mario uses a scissor and a comb.
That was my fault.
But Joseph looks at his brother, Matthew. He has a hair nicely. But Joseph didn't know what to do. Mario cut, and cut, and cut, and cut Joseph's hair. And Joseph's hair is new. And Joseph is great. His hair looks stylish. His mom would be so proud. Mario is the best. Looking good, Joseph!